The ultimate Big Bad Toy Store review. Tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're hunting for the best toys online, most people get this wrong by relying on generic stores that overpromise and underdeliver. The surprising truth about Big Bad Toy Store is that it combines a massive selection, competitive pricing and reliable service, making it a go-to destination for collectors and kids alike. First, let's talk inventory. Big Bad Toy Store offers thousands of action figures, collectibles, board games and rare items. You won't believe how deep the catalogue goes, from classic franchises to the latest releases. Most people overlook the importance of checking stock levels and pre-order options, but Big Bad Toy Store keeps everything well organised and updated. Next, pricing and deals. The site often provides discounts, bundle deals, and limited time offers. Many buyers get frustrated by hidden costs elsewhere, but here you can compare prices, see shipping fees upfront, and plan purchases without surprises. Shipping and reliability are key. Big Bad Toy Store ships quickly and provides tracking information. Customer reviews often highlight how orders arrive safely and on time. Most people get this wrong by assuming all online toy stores are equal, but their dependable shipping sets them apart. Customer support also matters. They offer responsive service via email and detailed fax sections, helping with returns, product questions, or pre-order issues. Finally, collectability and community. For collectors, Big Bad Toy Store maintains exclusives and hard-to-find items, making it a hub for serious hobbyists. In conclusion, Big Bad Toy Store is more than a regular toy shop. By leveraging its extensive catalogue, transparent pricing, reliable shipping, and collector-friendly offerings, you can go from zero to pro in finding, ordering, and enjoying toys safely and efficiently. Whether you're a parent, gamer, or collector, the store delivers value, variety, and peace of mind.